I am not. Also, that is supremely immature that I have to get on camera. You guys just see down there. Okay. I have not done one of these videos in a while. That's me and Trouble here, and I'm going to do a burping video again. Yeah. That's about it. No soda, no nothing. Just gas coming out my face. Well, let's just get into it. Okay. I can go louder. That is pretty weak. That was a good one. Sorry, I ate again the shirt thing. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this because then it blocks it. Okay. I ate hot Cheetos today, so my stomach is kind of agitated. Again, I'm trying to. What? So I should be smart about this. And go toga or scarf. Okay. So I might have a bit of a buildup when it comes to food, so the gas might not be as loud as it usually is. So I'm sorry for that, but I could try my best. Oh yeah, I found this new shaking I can do. It's I don't know, I'm unlocking, but something's opening up back here, and I'm able to suck in here like it's like my vacuum. Just and Eric can escape the exact same way. Like that. Dang it. That is all. See you guys later. If you want more burn videos, just comment in the comments and I will try my best to reply to them. I might not push for another few days, but we'll see. I might post another one today. See you guys later.